Here we have a unique vehicle to DHS Vehicle Wholesale, a 1994 BMW 325i convertible. This is a very rare vehicle with low kilometres for its age, only 59,300. Presented to you in a very high standard and has only had one New Zealand owner for the last 17 years. It has a 2.5 litre straight 6 engine and a 4-speed auto transmission. Dual zone air conditioning, full leather interior and a fully operational electric soft top roof. Fantastic for cruising on a beautiful warm sunny day. Fitted with 15-inch Advanti Alloys and a fantastic sounding aftermarket exhaust. This is a beautiful wee car, definitely worth coming and have a look at. You've got our details, www.dhswholesale.co.nz, or give us a call 027 507 9699.